Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever felt like the clock is ticking too fast for you to catch up? Is 24 hours enough for you? Many people always say that they don't even have enough time to sleep, exercise, or do anything they want. Especially for a student like us. We have to spend too much time on transportations, studies, or university activities. Having not enough time makes us such a horrible life. The time management problems has affected us since we entered to the university. We have tried so many ways to arrange our timetable, but actually it doesn't help that much. Sometimes we wish that we could have more than 24 hours to review our lesson or to sleep as long as we want. But how could that be possible? How can we solve this problem? Let's get to the bottom of this problem.
So, first let's talk about the background of the problem deeply. It is undeniable that now we are living in the hasty era. Life in Bangkok today is going to become a nightmare of working people or university students. We have to wake up early and eat breakfast as fast as we can so that we can get out from home quickly. We also have to waste most of time on street because of severe traffic jam. For some people whose universities or offices are very far from home, they have to spend almost 1 or 2 hours on the car or public transport. Then we have to face a lot of lessons or tests during the day. Sometimes we don't even have enough time to eat lunch. And then in the evening, we have to face the same problem as in the morning again. This causes us to have less energy to review our lesson, and our time to do other things is decreased. So we may have to sleep late at night so that we can finish our works or studies. Therefore, it is too difficult for us to manage time for this uncontrollable lifestyle.
Then the negative impact of this problem are the second area of the considerations. If you feel that you don't have enough time to eat, to exercise and sleep properly, it will cause a bad effect to your health mentally and physically. For example, you will feel sleepy in the morning class and your body will feel weaker. And it will make you think that the fast food is the best alternative food. And the disease will come after that. For example, diabetes, when you don't have enough time to exercise.
Moreover, when we can finish sleeping on time, we will feel stateful and our mental health will be terrible. In addition, our grade will be affected too because of we don't have enough time to review the lessons, and the relationship between us and our family will become distant. So this is the reason why we really need to solve this problem before it's ruined my life.
So after a long time with research and experiments, we finally find a creative solution for this problem. The answer is the time-stopping machine, or TSM-007. You may be curious of how this machine can help us solve this problem. So let's see how it works. Okay, let's see. This machine can stop the time anytime and as long as you want. People who don't use this machine will be compelled to being still, while the ones who use this machine can move and do whatever they want. Then after you turn TSM-007 off, okay, let's see. People will continue doing their works just like nothing has happened. Using TSM-007 constitutes many positive impacts. There will be no more complaints of having not enough time because it can absolutely help us manage our routine. We will have more than 24 hours per day. We can study our lesson and sleep as much as we want while we are stopping the time. TSM-007 will help in both physical and mental health that make us feel fresher during the day. We can also have more time with our family. We don't have to be worried about unfinished work anymore. Moreover, we can have time to eat, exercise properly. Therefore, using this machine might make us feel that our lives are more manageable.
However, using TSM-007 has some caution that we need to know. It is significant for users to be honest while using this machine, because when we turn on the machine, we can do anything that we want. So sometimes some people might use this benefit in a negative way, such as stealing things, cheating on tests, or hurting others. Anyway, they need to realize that stopping time is not always the best choice for solve the problems. Sometimes you just need to solve the problem by yourself first. In contrast, if you already try your best but it still doesn't work, it might be the time for this machine to solve the time management problems. Imagine that you can sleep on your bed without worrying about the sound of alarm clock in the morning. Your life now can be controlled and you can manage to finish everything on time. Our machine is the absolute solution to make your life the same as what you have dreamed of. You don't need to skip any activities just because you don't have time. When other people look at you, they will feel like you are the person who can do everything. Then, time management is not an issue to be concerned anymore. So, if you feel like you cannot handle your life anymore, just try this machine and you will see how worth it is.